Hey everyone, 7 First Alert meteorologist Mike Taylor with an outlook on your forecast. Going into the next couple of days, we'll have some chances of rain, but the mild weather is going to stick around. So let me take you through Futurecast, and you'll find that these numbers are going to climb up. We'll kick things off Thursday morning in the 30s, but by the time we get beyond the morning time, the clouds are going to increase. The chance of rain goes up too, but so do the temperatures. I'm thinking that once we get into the early afternoon hours, we'll be near 40 degrees once again, similar to your Wednesday, and then we only go above and beyond. I mean, we're going to have temps into the mid 40s for the afternoon. Rain pushes in for the drive home. Then once we get into Friday, we go even beyond that. We start to warm up with temps in the 50s and enjoy it. It's just going to be a flash of spring because immediately after our temperatures climb up into the 50s, the cold front will sweep in. That'll drop numbers from the 50s down to the 30s and even bringing a chance of some snow showers, especially in the northern fringes of the thumb area near Sanilac as well as Lapeer and Port Huron. So we're going to have some whiplash over the next couple of days. 32 degrees for tonight, partly cloudy, not as cold as the last couple of nights, which were in the 20s. As we go into the day tomorrow, rain moves in, a high of 46, winds pick up as well, they'll be breezy. As far as the timing of the rain, it does appear that after noontime, the rain chances only go up into the evening, at late afternoon and evening, and after that rain will be fair game all the way through Friday. We had a high temp of 55 on Friday and enjoy it like I was mentioning because temperatures drop. By Saturday we'll struggle just to hit 36 and we stay in the 30s going all the way into 2019. Thanks for joining us here at WXYZ.com to get your forecast information. Next planned update will be by Hallie for your morning.